Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Take a minute to subscribe and like the video and also hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our diet tips for losing weight, pushing your energy to the max, and getting information on how to boost your nutrition every single day. Fruits may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about sources of protein, but if you're looking for some more of the stuff, every little bit counts. Certain fruits can be a sweet way to add an extra dose of this nutrient to your diet. Number 1. Guava. Guava is one of the most protein-rich fruits around. You'll get a whopping 4.2 grams of this stuff in every cup. This tropical fruit is also high in vitamin C and fiber. Slice it up or bite right into it like an apple. You can even eat the seeds and skin, so there's nothing to clean up. Number 2. Avocado. Mix up a batch of guacamole or mash some of this green fruit on your toast. A cup of it sliced or cubed packs 3 grams of protein. Mashed will give you 4.6. That's on the high end of the fruit. It's also full of healthy fat, fiber, and potassium, making it a smart addition to any meal. And did you know that some people eat it sweet? Try it with sliced peaches and drizzle with honey. Number 3. Jackfruit. This spiky relative of the fig has become a popular vegan meat substitute. You can roast pulled jackfruit and season it like chicken or pork. Then you can whip up vegan tacos or Thai curries with this versatile fruit. While its protein content is far lower than meat, jackfruit is fairly high in protein for a piece of fruit. It packs 2.8 grams of protein per cup. For improving your concentration at work and at studies, try NutrioPack Neuro Brain Blast and Focus, a premium supplement to help you focus more on what matters and be more productive. For more information, visit www.nutriopack.com. Number 4. Kiwi. Kiwi will give you about 2 grams of protein per cup, and you don't have to spend a lot of time preparing it. It's perfectly fine to eat the skin. Just make sure you clean it well, then just slice and eat. The stubbly skin won't hurt you. In fact, you probably won't even taste it. Number 5. Apricot. A cup of it sliced clocks in at 2.3 grams of protein. Dried apricots also make for a quick and tasty snack. A quarter cup serving will get you 1.1 grams of protein. Eat them alone, in a trail mix, or tossed in a salad. Number 6. Blackberries and raspberries. Not all berries are a great source of protein, but blackberries have an impressive 2 grams per cup. Raspberries are relatively high in protein too. They serve up about 1.5 grams per cup. Snack on them alone or add them to yogurt for a protein-packed breakfast. Number 7. Raisins. If dried fruits are your thing, raisins are a good bet for protein. 1 ounce, or about 60 of these little guys, has nearly 1 gram of protein. Snack on them with nuts, sprinkle them on your oatmeal at breakfast, or toss them into a salad for a touch of sweetness. Number 8. Bananas. They're technically berries and have a lot going for them. Bananas are high in potassium, convenient to eat on the go, and can fuel your body during a workout, just as well as a sports drink, according to one study. As if that weren't enough, 1 medium banana brings about 1.3 grams of protein. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed all the content that you just watched, and if you want more content like this, then make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any diet tips, fitness-related nutrition, and so much more. We'll see you in the next video.